Elements. Elements are a really important part in any Holochain application that we can build. What they are essentially is the union between a header together with its entry. And what's a header, you may be asking? So headers are this piece of metadata that's created alongside each entry that we commit into Holochain, or really any Holochain action that we do at all, that contains some metadata essential to maintain security and data integrity in the Holochain network. So here you can see this node has this source chain and two entries have been created in green. Alongside each entry, their own headers have been created as well. So what do all headers contain? So all headers contain the author public key, the timestamp for when it was created, and the previous header hash, thus creating a header chain, and this is the part of chain in Holochain. This header chain basically represents all the actions that a single agent has taken in the network, and you can imagine this can be used for validation rules, different types of querying mechanisms, so different uses. Here we can see the different header types that we have available. So not all of these headers will have their corresponding entry. Like for example, we have the DNA header that's committed at the start of the source chain. So that's the first header committed, and we cannot create an entry alongside that header. That's a header that is committed directly by Holochain. We don't have any say in that. Different is the create header. The create header has to be accompanied by its entry. So if we go inside the create header, we can see here we have what entry type and what entry hash this create header is going to be accompanied by. Apart from create, update, that are accompanied by their own entries, all the other information about actions that this header has to take in the network is stored inside the header itself. So for example, create link header directly contains the base hash and the target hash of the entries that the link is referring to. So in this case, this header doesn't contain any entry with it. It's only the header and that's it. And that's why there are some headers, some elements that have only the header and some elements that are the header plus the entry.